Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete multiple contacts if you have on your iPhone. Lately some iPhone users have been reporting this bug that they get one contact saved multiple times due to some issue or due to some bug. So here in this video I'm going to show you how you can resolve it, and it's pretty easy. If you follow me you'll get it done for you too. So here I'm going to show you my contact list, and you can see that there are a few contacts that are saved multiple times. So now deleting them one by one, for one contact or for two contact, yeah, that might be easy. But if there's a bunch of contact, then it won't be good going to each contact and then deleting them one by one. So yeah, here I'm going to show you a hot fix. Okay, so the first step we're going to do is we're going to go to our app store. And once in our app store, now what we're going to do is on the search menu, click on it and then type in duplicate contacts remover. Now a bunch of app will show up. We will go with clean up duplicate contacts. Also, to mention, this is not a paid video. I'm not sponsored by any of these apps. I'm just showing you this fix, that how to get rid of this issue. So yeah, you can choose any app you want, but I'll go with this one. So I'll click on clean up duplicate contacts. Now here what you need to do is download this application. So I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to open it and it's going to ask for a few permissions. I'm going to go OK, and it'll ask you to analyze, and you click on analyze. So now it's going to scan your contact and it's going to find if there is any duplicate contacts there in your list. Now here you can see that it's going to show you a bunch of options, that how many contacts you got, how many contacts are there which are clean, and how many are duplicate, partially or fully duplicate contacts. So what you want to do is go to fully and partial duplicates. Once you click on that, it'll show you the contacts which are duplicate. So I can see John, Daniel and Lena are the contacts which are duplicate, and it can show you how much the contacts match, because sometimes some contacts can have few digits that might be like different. So click on merge and then it'll merge the contact. That's easy as that. Now it asks me to rate it, but I ain't gonna rate it for later maybe. And now I'll click on no thanks and I'll continue. Now here I open my contact and you can see that all the contacts, or all the contacts that were duplicate, there were three or more duplicates of each contact are removed, and now one of them exists. So this is how you can get rid of the duplicate contact issue on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Please drop a like if it did, and comment if you have any question. And yeah, subscribe for more videos just like this. See you in the next one. Peace.